Welcome! What are we doing today?
The release of the house.
So this is the new home orientation day. So there's the house,
We will do a checkup and to point the
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 flaws,
the flaws and then convenience.
and
Oh, and there's a fire extinguisher here.
welcome! Oh wow, see the mountain? So we're going to do that today. So we have this one, and then we have a tape, and then look at the view. Yay!
Hello, this is not Vogue, but we present you my house.
Yay! That's the photo we picked. That's the carpet too.
So you have the entrance, you have the area for the washing machine.
Wow. There's a light in here. Ta-da!
You have the upstairs with the nice carpet. You have one part of the closet is here for the jackets and some shoes probably. And coming upstairs, I just want to show you how is it so tall. Tall, huge.
Yeah, the height of it. Yeah,
And show
nice.
them the view of the mountain.
Oh yeah, and then there's our view. Ta-da! That's what you're gonna see every day, unless they're going to put something in front. Yay! This is it.
Time next week. Oh, here we go.
Ta-da!
Next Friday.
Friday?
Do you want to do? It's kind of cool.
Yeah, because he's gonna send it to mom in France.
Oh, cool. So we don't paint these. Yeah, they always have one room. It's like okay.
I think there's that room.
Yeah, that's on the walkthrough. We're gonna.
Oh, okay. I thought there's a crack on this one. That's what I was like. It looks like it, but then it's not. So,
Yeah. Okay.
yeah, that's good.
Yeah, and then like since it's a 1-year finish warranty, some people worry like what if I didn't catch something?
Yeah.
If you move in, you may find something that we need to take care of, and it's covered under warranty. So, you're also part of the customer care, like white glove service. We do like a 2-hour paint touch up.
Okay.
So once you get moved in and get all your boxes thrown in and everything, we have to schedule the painter to come in.
Okay.
They'll do touch ups on the walls, and then
Okay. Hold on, huh? some tapes. And then tape. But not really major ones. Anyways, so yeah, I like paint touch up. So this is our master bedroom. And then this is the one that, ta-da! Nice, huh? How are you? Are you happy?
I'm happy.
So just touch up there. That's really not major thing. And then this one, it seemed it's really nice. We were like impressed with how huge it is. Not really huge, but enough for both of us, right?
Yeah. Better than the one I have right now. So yeah.
I'll take a picture of you. Ta-da! There. Yeah. Nice. And here. Oh wow. There you go. Here. There you go. Nice. And we have a patio. Yeah. Like your Stafford wife. There you go. Huh? Hold on, huh? This is the bathroom. Oh. There you go. It's me. Huh? Oh. This is nice. Look at this. Here's the full side of it. Yeah, we cannot go inside anyways. Look at that. It was nice. Hi. Barbecue area, pool, jacuzzi, kiddie area. So yeah, it's nice. That's the community. And then there's another one in there. Exciting! One more week!